So this is a quick one just to show you the possibilities you get when you do construct a biodigester. So what happens in this situation is I do get people who usually want to construct a biodigester ask me, I'm constructing the biodigester, but I'm not ready to use it. I'm not going to use it now. Is this something that you think is okay to do? Because I'm thinking that if I do construct the biodigester, the worms and everything in it, they will die or something like that. So I'm wondering if it's something that you think you advise that I do it right now. And I tell them, well, do not worry. The biodigesters, this particular case, this property here in Accra, I've constructed a biodigester for them. Almost 4 years now. The property, the family is outside. So they are still not using it now. In fact, we are here to do one for the summer hat. And I thought that let me just take a video and show you that, yes, you can do a biodigester and let it lay fallow, as we say in agriculture, until you are ready to have it used. Toilet seats and everything has been connected. So the last time I came here, I just opened it to see how it is. And I'm not sure you can see the inside, but basically it's still dried up and just ready whenever you are ready to use your biodigester. The reasons why the biodigesters have become one of the best options for homeowners is because of the fact that situations like this allows you to have a biodigester constructed and have it wait. So if, let's say you are not staying in this house, so this is your property, you are not here. Occasionally you come here, you can come here, use it on holiday purposes, or maybe you have an Airbnb, you use it for only when guests or people are in the house property, and then after that it's just there waiting for the next usage. The materials that we do use in these biodigesters are not materials that are going to, they are biodegradable material, all right, but it's not materials that are going to give you problems, or like there are worms that we put in them and these worms are going to die, and then the time will come you might have to get a different type of worm to inoculate them. No, these ones are done with fiber and biodegradable materials, and the enzymes, the latest versions of the enzymes, which are dry and are just there for you whenever you are ready to use your biodigester. So those are some of the possibilities when it comes to using biodigesters for your dream house. And in this case, this biodigester has been here. If the family is ready to use it, they are just ready to go, and then they can go ahead and use their biodigester. The next video showing on the channel is going to explain to you in further details how to construct a biodigester, and then of course how to use it as an option in managing your dream house.